Good morning, students. So last class we have discussed 8 questions on straight line. So remaining examples we'll discuss it in this session. So let us begin with the example number 9. So it is a given that the line parallel to the x-axis and passes through an intersection of a line. So we have two lines, and where value of a and b are not equal, it is a given. So which of the following is a right answer we have to calculate. So first we'll take a given equations here. They have given us two straight lines. Those are ax plus 2by plus 3b equal to 0. We have one more equation, bx minus 2ay minus 3a equal to 0. So this equation represent, we will give it. So first equation, it is ax plus 2by plus 3b plus L times L is a scalar, and second equation we have bx minus 2ay minus 3a equal to 0 it is. Then further we will observe that line is, it is a parallel, which is a parallel to x-axis. If it is a parallel to x-axis, we have to take x coefficient as a 0. X coefficient here it is a, and the x coefficient it is a L into b. So this we have to take it as a 0. So we get it as a plus lb equal to 0. So from this equation we will write a solution for a L. So L solution we get it as minus a divided by b. So further I call this as a equation 1. This is a equation 1. In this equation number 1, we'll substitute the L value as minus a divided by b. So we get this as ax plus 2by plus 3b, then minus a by b, next bx minus 2ay minus 3a equal to 0. Further it is a divided by b is there, so that b we will multiply to the numerator and we will simplify it. So we will get a value of a y as, we will get a value of y as y equal to minus 3 by 2 here. So y is minus 3 by 2, and the negative sign represents that it is a below the x-axis. So it is a correct option is below the x-axis at a distance of 3 by 2. Therefore option A is a right answer here. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Example number 10 it is, if non-zero numbers a comma b comma c are in a harmonic progression. Straight line equation they have given it, always passes through a fixed point, then the point, which one that we have to calculate here. So they have given that there are 3 points a comma b comma c, they are in a harmonic progression. So further we will take a reciprocal of that. So reciprocal of a harmonic progression will be, it is a arithmetic progression. So we get it as a 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. It is in a arithmetic progression. So further arithmetic mean definition we will use it. So 2 times the middle term is, that is 1 by p, equal to first and third term, it is a addition 1 by a plus 1 by c. Now this LHS 2 by b we will transport it to RHS. We get it as a 1 by a minus 2 by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. We call it as a equation number 1. So further we have the given equation here. So we write it below only, x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. Therefore, we'll get a x solution as a 1 by comparing, and the y solution we are going to get it as a minus 2 here. Therefore 1 comma minus 2 is a solution. So clearly option C is a right answer here. Option C is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Example number 11. It is a given that a straight line passes through the point A 3 comma 4 is such that its intercept between the axes is bisected by A. Its equation we have to write it. So diagram will draw it, so then very conveniently we can understand this. So this is a line. The point B is, it is a 0 comma B. Point B is 0 comma B, and the point this C is A comma 0. Then we have a middle number. This is a A. They are given that 3 comma 4 here. 3 comma 4 here it is the point A. So we will observe that A bisect BC. Okay, then bisection formula we have to use it. 0 plus A divided by 2 equal to middle number, it is a 3. We will simplify it. So A by 2 equal to 3, or A solution we are going to get it as a 6 here. Therefore the coordinate is 6 comma 0 we are going to get it. Point C is 6 comma 0. So further now we will apply equation of a line. Equation of a line for the points A and C. So we know that formula y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The point A is having a coordinate x1 y1. Point C having the coordinate x2 y2. So we have to substitute all these values. So we get y minus 0 divided by x minus 6. Next y2 4 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 6. So we will simplify this. Simplifying, we are going to get it as, it is a 4x plus 3y equal to 24. It is 4x plus 3y equal to 24. So this is the answer we are going to get it. So clearly we will observe that option B is the right answer here. Okay, so this is a required simplification. We'll move to our next example. So example number 12 it is. So it is a given that if a comma a square falls inside the angle made by a lines y equal to x by 2 and y equal to 3x, belongs to which of the common region we have to calculate. So we'll draw a diagram. This is a diagrammatic approach. So we'll observe this is x dash, y dash. Then we get a y equal to 3x. This is a line, one straight line. So we have represented it. So one more we have. So y equal to x by 2. So it is formed by a triangle here. So this region is a common region. So it falls under this condition here. So we will observe that P a comma a square lies inside a shaded region. So we have mentioned in a diagram. So a is belonging to, we will observe that minus infinity to 0, and 1 by 2 to infinity here. So looking at the values I have taken it here. So a is belonging. Another one will observe that a is belonging to, it is a 0 comma 3 here. So these are our regions. So two regions we are going to get it. Common region analyzing, we will observe that common region is A is belonging to half is a common and up to the 3 here. So this is a region belonging to a which is a common to both here. So option B is the right answer here. So we have to draw a diagram and looking at these points, and we have to find out the common region here. So option B is the right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Example number 13. So let H comma K be 1 comma 1 and C 2 comma 1. So be the vertices of a right angle triangle with AC as a hypotenuse. If the area of a triangle is 1, then the set of values K can take is given by here. Okay, so this is a triangle here. This is a triangle. So point A, I take it as a H comma K as a coordinate. Point B is 1 comma 1. Point C is 2 comma 1. Then we have to use a Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. It is. This is a Pythagoras theorem. So AC means hypotenuse, coordinate we know, and we have to use a distance formula. So that is, we are going to get H minus 2 whole square. Then K minus 1 whole square is AC square equal to, this is a AB square. AB square, it is a H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square it is. So this is a distance between a AB. So AB square. Next, distance between a BC we have to calculate. So 1 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square here it is. Then we will simplify this one. So both side K minus 1 square, K minus 1 square get cancels. So simplifying this, we are going to get the H value as a 1 here. H value as a 1. Now we will take area of a triangle ABC as a half base BC into height, it is a AB here. Okay, so BC into AB, then this is equal to, it is a 1 by 2 BC. So distance between a BC is under the square root of BC, we know it is a 1 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square, BC square. Next into, it is a AB square. AB we know already, we have calculated, here it is. So it is under the square root of H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square. Then further H value we have to take it as a 1, and simplifying, area they have given, area of a triangle is 1. So 1 equal to, simplifying this RHS part, we are going to get this as, so 1 divided by 4 into K square plus 1 minus 2K it is. We have to square it on both the side. Then further 4 we will transport it to RHS, and simplifying we will get a quadratic equation as a K square minus 2K minus 3 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, leads to a 2 solution. So K solutions we are going to get it as a minus 1, another one we are going to get it as a 3. So solutions for K is minus 1, 3. Therefore clearly option C is the right answer. So like this we have to simplify here. Okay, we'll move to a next example. So perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the point P and Q has a y intercept of 4, then the possible value of a K we have to calculate here. So here is a one line, and we have a perpendicular drawn to this is in this way. We take it as a, this is a M. See, point P having a coordinate 1, 4. Point Q we are having a coordinate as a K, 3 here, K, 3. So intercept they have given, y intercept is -4. So now we have to write equation for AM. We have to write it. Equation for AM is y minus y1. y1 is 7/2. So M coordinate we have to calculate using a distance formula. So equal to slope we get it as a k minus 1, and then x minus x1. X minus we are going to get a k plus 1 divided by 2 it is. So further y intercept they said, y intercept that information they have given. So y intercept will observe that x equal to 0 and y intercept is 4, y equal to we will take it as a -4 it is a given -4. Then these values we have to take it here, that means x we have to take it as a 0, so equation will become, and y we have to take it as a -4, we will get -4 minus 7/2 and minus k minus 1 into we are going to get a k plus 1 divided by 2 it is, we are going to get it. So this we have to simplify it, so we get LHS simplification as a 15 divided by 2 and RHS simplification as k square minus 1 divided by 2, and both side a minus sign will be there, minus sign get cancels. So further denominator 2 get cancels, so we get a 15 equal to k square minus 1, k square we get it as a 16, and k value we are going to get it as a plus or minus 4. Therefore option C is the right answer here. Option C is a right answer. So like this we have to write it here. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Example number 15. The question is the line L given by, so equation is given. Okay, so it is x by 5 plus y by b equal to 1, and since the line L is passing through a point 13, 32, so x we have to take it as a 13, y we have to take it as a 32. Therefore the equation will become 13 by 5 plus 32 divided by b equal to 1. Simplifying, we are going to get the value for a b as minus 20. We'll observe it. Further, the line k is parallel to the line L. So it is a parallel to the line L. We know the parallel condition in a 10th standard, we have studied it. So using that, x divided by 5, it is a minus y by 20 equal to a. Okay, so we can write in this way. So further a we can transport it to LHS, so we may get x by 5a minus y by 20a equal to 1. Then we have to compare with the given equation. They have given this equation, we have to compare with this. So x by c plus y by 3, we are going to get it as a 1. So we will get comparing c, we get it as a 5a, then one more 20a equal to 3. So a we are going to get it as a 3 by 20. So this a value we have to substitute, c we get it as a, so minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so that is a solution for a c. Then distance between a line we have to calculate. So distance between a line is, it is a mod of a minus 1 divided by, so under the square root of, so we will observe that Yes, it is a 5. 5 square is, it is 25. 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20, it is a 20 square is a 400 it is. Then further we have to simplify it. A value we have to substitute as, it is a 3 divided by 20, it is minus 1 divided by denominator, it is a 17 divided by 400, we get it. So simplifying this expression, we get this as 23 divided by root of, it is a 17 here. So 23 divided by root of a 17, we will get it. Therefore option D is a right answer here. Option D is a right answer. So here A value is minus, it is minus 3 by 20. Here it will become minus, sorry, here it will become minus. Therefore 23 divided by root 17 is a right answer. So dear students, in this class 15 examples we have solved. So remaining examples we'll discuss it in a next session. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.